great to see people from our community, people from our faith doing exceptionally well in their business. And now they're here to teach the community. They're here to benefit our community. They're here to allow the community to grow. When I first came into this space, we saw people with lots of cars. The first time you come into Facebook, the first time you come online, you see, and you take everything as real. So you'll see some people who have got Lamborghinis, Rolls Royce, Ferraris, great cars, great houses, big, and you think, wow, amazing. The person's done really well. And they'll say things like, and when we first initially started, and for the friends and who are in my sort of age range, who are in that kind of category, you initially saw that and you think, fantastic, great to see people from our community, people from our faith doing exceptionally well in their business. And now they're here to teach the community. They're here to benefit our community. They're here to allow the community to grow.
We still have a community structure. So, and we tend to spread word by mouth very quickly. So some of the groups you just mentioned, you'll be surprised how quickly they form. So for instance, let's just say I'm exposed to something. Then I will quickly let my brother know, my uncle know, my auntie know, my whatever. And I will literally, you gave this, the kind of cold calling sales pitch the guy gave to you. And I will literally be banging on about this thing, literally day and night, until I got these people to sign up to it. And they wouldn't have a foggiest. The one thing they would ask is it halal?